Hello everyone, George Gillis Jr. here today, and what I wanted to do was shoot this quick little video to welcome each and every team member or even any business owner that is looking for a way to get their questions asked and answers for different problems and solving in the Global NPN Facebook group. This is my Facebook group for affiliate marketing leads and Global NPN network marketing and affiliate marketing Facebook group. It's called the Team NPN Cash Flow group, and we want to welcome each and every one that comes to this, be invited to this page and join our group, where inside of here we will be posting different subjects of networking, so that you may be able to help in any business that we may be able to help you with. If you like this group, feel free to join, to join, and we'll put you in. What we'll do is that we'll allow you to continue to progress for your success in this Facebook group. Now, this is mostly for Team NPN Cash Flow members, but anyone can be invited and join and get what they need for their business, whatever opportunity you may be in. It doesn't matter. We're going to help you out anyway. We're going to help you because that's our business, and our goal is to help someone create success by solving problems and answers to different types of things, how to get leads, where to market, different, whatever it may be. There's going to be some training here in this Facebook group at Team NPN Cash Flow, and we're just delighted to have you. We welcome you again, and then if you have any questions, just get in touch with us and we'll show you how to get invited and join our Facebook group. Thank you very much, and have a blessed and prosperous Sunday afternoon. Thank you.